This is JB Productions presents basically a live demo in Bangkok with the Thai police, with the colonel and the EOD department. We're looking at all the live materials we have: power gel, gunpowder, TNT. This is myself and the EOD guy basically putting the explosives behind the wall. The EOD man, the colonel, basically is looking to put all or some of this explosives down the main roadway. He's right now putting it behind a tree, and right now he's planning it so he can see if he can detect it. We're trying to kind of hide it behind different things. We're also putting it behind TNT behind a tree. Once again, this is a live test done in Bangkok. There's live power lines, people walking, cars. This is a live roadway. It's used. It's a big car park. Quite live, quite nice, done very well. We're also going behind a wall to put the explosives right behind the wall. We're using gunpowder, and we're going to put it not only behind the wall, but we're going to try and hide it a little bit in the dirt. So we're trying to get it hid in the dirt a little bit. We're trying to make a good video from Mr. Kamal's video. As you can see, the red dot. Still a live demo, done very well. The colonel, very official. All this can be verified. Bangkok police, Bangkok guy in the gray t-shirt, extremely happy after this test. He basically put this down into a gutter, ammonium nitrate. So once again, this is about a 200-meter run as far as the distance. Let me try and get a little closer there. I'm trying to explain to them different levels of where we're putting things and talk about the gun, the explosives. Mr. C is an official. We have, once again, the police there. Motorcycle guy goes by. I believe another car might come by. This is done in real time. We left it like this. We didn't take anything out because we wanted to show that it was a live test. Right now we're walking to the car essentially to get the AGU. AGU is in back of one of the vehicles that we brought in. Very nice in the fact that good day. It was raining a little bit. As you can see, a lot of power lines, a lot of interference. Right now I'm going to do instructions for the EOD man on how to operate it. And essentially what we have is a point and shoot type device. All you do is just point it and you pull the trigger, and it will beep and tell you if something's in front of it, some explosives. Mr. Kamal is holding the gun. He's also finding, he's going to try and find explosives that he had previously put someplace. We will take a official record of this later. Once again, we're trying to give him a little more knowledge on it, a little bit about the gun, talk about it a little bit, and essentially just give him a little more training on it. There's not much training needs to be done. That particular box is the power box. The green box has the battery in it, and of course I need to turn it on. It turns on all the devices in there. It has all the computers and all the systems in there. The gun itself basically has a number of transducers. Very nice in the respect that it is easy to operate. As you can see, it's on, and I think the colonel is scanning around a little bit to see. He's doing a test on the car, and he might get a beep on that car. He gets a beep on the car, and sure enough, there is a beep, and there's explosives in the back that we had put there. And he's looking right now. I'm trying to look around. Nothing placed there, but we did have explosives in the car. At that closer range, it'll detect about 2 meters in diameter. So once again, he's looking at the sides, kind of scanning it around, see if he finds something, see if there's something. He found something on the right-hand side, and they're pointing down the waist all the way down. So he did find something down there. And right now, I think we're trying to instruct him to point all the way down to try and find something. And he's going to start scanning. He's trying to find some things. And did he find something? And I think over on the right-hand side where I went to, he did find something. He detected some explosives. There's a car coming by, motorcycle. Like I said, this is a very live test. It's real. It's what you encounter in a number of countries where there were vehicles, whether they be military or whatever. Guard on post. Right now, he's scanning the left-hand side. He's trying to see if there's some. I think he found something back down underneath there, and back down around there. He's finding all the different stuff around, and it's looking very good. He's looking at flower pots. There's flower pots behind there. They're going to try and do a scan all the way back around and should find different materials. Second beep, we have detected something over there. And sure enough, he's going to try and look in the other areas too. It's a matter of scanning. Now he's walking just to verify. Let's see if we can see if there is something back there or behind the wall or something. Let's see if we did find something. Did we find something there? Nothing there, but let's look over here. See if we did find something. I think something was detected. He detected something back over there. He's looking, he's scanning. He's trying to see, as you can see, people walking around. He's scanning now. He might get a beep. Yeah, he found something way back there. Very much, very, very effective. It's a very effective gun for finding gunpowder, TNT, C4 explosives, something with nitrates in it. And I think seems to be very happy with what's going on there. It's kind of a hot day out there. As you can see, it's pretty sweaty, it's pretty hot. I think he's going to go down the road and he's going to try and scan some more down the road with the AG800. I think he did see something down there. He did find something. Mr. Kamal is filming. We actually took the film from what he was filming most of the time. I say it's a very live test, a real test. Did find something. He's going to scan the wall. He's going to see if he has something. And there's also a red light on there. They are pointing. They did get a beep there. They did scan there, and sure enough, he's scanning the wall for something else. So I will go and check and see what we have. Indeed, if we do have something, let's see if it's written. Yes, and we have a bag of something, some kind of explosive. So he did indeed find some explosives behind the wall in a couple of different places. So right now he's still running the test. They were very happy that it was running very well. Now, all that, the gun and the power unit itself is going to be put into AGU 900, which is a complete unit all in one. Problem with this is it's kind of big and bulky, and it's got to be held in a backpack. Too much and maybe too much weight. Although the weight is 12 to 14 pounds, so it did find something there, and we're looking. Testing has been done, and all explosives have been found. Very successful so far. Very successful on this particular test. I think it's going very well. He seems to be very happy, and Mr. C is trying to explain different things. Once again, everything is a lot of it's in the Thai language, and what we're trying to do is annotate this in English so you can understand it, what you're seeing and what's going on. If you understand Thai language, we could always get you the Thai film if you wanted. But basically, we're walking back. He's holding the gun. Mr. C is running back or walking back with the unit itself. Our purpose was to show a really good demo. We have he's holding up now. We have the professor from the university. I think they like it very well. They're agreeing. And right now he's making an official record of actually what he did place. So he signed off on that record. We have all that documentation ready to go for the right people to show that they did sign off on it. There's the colonel looking back there. I think he's going to just verify that it was his explosives that he did put there, and everything was pretty official and live test. Right now he's looking at the walls, doing very well. Did he find something? I think he's got something. I think he actually put it not only behind the wall, but he put it in the dirt behind the wall. So it was in the ground a little bit. That's a concrete wall, so It did hide it quite well. We're just looking. I think he put it someplace. I think he found it and he's writing down. He's annotating basically what he did find. Very nice in that respect. I think I'm trying to find if there's any other explosives, and I think he will go down to the end of the driveway. Once again, that's about 200 meters. That's pretty good to detect explosives. That's 200 meters that we have detected explosives all the way down from one end to the other end. This is quite a nice demo in the respect that it shows live people. The EOD guy can be verified. It's on record. It's signed, and we have an official record of the test. So I think we're just talking about the distance right there of being about 200 meters. So that came out very well. Once again, we're talking, I think he's signed it. He's signed off on it. We're talking about it. Very happy, shaking his head. This is a very nice test and done very well. And once again, we're walking back. We're just talking about the results of the test, about how we can do it even better as far as having a better gun, everything in one. We're trying to make it so it's nice and easy to operate. Basically a point and shoot type device. Everyone's very happy. As you can see, the EOD man is smiling. He wants one of these. We need to get him into production. And once again, we're just scanning back all the way to the back where some of the officials are. Real test done in a live parking lot, ad hoc, not planned. We just went out and did the test. Power lines to the right, you can see them. Not necessarily easy in respect that a lot of powers around, but it did very well. Thank you very much for reviewing this particular video in Bangkok. Contact Andronics for more information. Directed by Jen Birch. We want to thank you very much for your watching this video and the colonel and all the people involved. Thank you very much.